Cellchronic introduced new on-grid hybrid inverter series. Galaxy 6G 6 kW. Specifications of Galaxy 6G 6 kW. It works in on-grid and off-grid modes both. 6600 watt on-grid capacity, 6000 watt off-grid capacity. 5-year warranty and can be expendable up to 10 year. Based on IP65 technology. Water resistance. Pure sine wave output. Power factor 1. Compatible with solar panel and wind turbine as well. 7800 watt solar capacity. 200% surge capacity. MPPT range 125 to 425 VDC. Colorful touchscreen and buttons, easy operation and maintenance. Time of use function, support 6 different time periods for charging and discharging battery. Support maximum 16 units paralleled and 3-phase application. 96 kilowatt system can be designed with combination. Real-time power sharing function. Can mix solar and grid power for home load. Can run 3 1.5 tone air condition and 1 HP motor with rest home load. Quick installation. Free accessories. Battery wires and ACDC box. We have limited stock. How to buy Galaxy 6G 6 kW. Online and offline. For online, go to our website www.cellchronic.com and you can download Cellchronic application from Play Store. For offline, you can contact with dealers and distributors and email us on contact@cellchronic.com. For more information, call us on 999 111 6403. Thanks for watching.